Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable and how to disable the option to reduce notifications feedback in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we want to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down a bit to notifications and quick settings menu. Next we need to scroll down to the more settings option, and here we have our option. Here it is, reduce notifications feedback. So it's a simple on or off switch with explanation on the side, as you can see. So right now we have our reduce notification feedback on, and now the reduce notifications is off. Pretty simple. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye.